Okay, now let's talk about the FTP. Now, FTP is a protocol, file transfer protocol, and it is born in 1971 or whatever. It used the port 20 and 21, okay? Now, although it is a very old protocol, but some organizations still use it today. Imagine that, okay? So FTP is a plain text protocol, and therefore any man-in-the-middle attack will compromise your data or your passwords. So let's start doing here. Okay, so let's start capturing. And by the way, by default, FTP is not installed. So just Google it, how to install FTP on Kali Linux. Okay, by the way, it will be like that. So sudo apt install vsftpd. Okay, like that. I put the password. And you can see that, yeah, SFTP is already installed, by the way. Now, sudo systemctl status for the vsftpd. And you can see that, yeah, it is inactive by default. So let's enable it. So start. So sudo systemctl start vsftpd. Now let's check it. Now it is run. Now it is running. So net state -ntlp. You can see that, yeah, the port 21 is running right now. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Now, if I type FTP, press enter. This is the FTP client. O for open connection. Now put our IP address, which is this one. Now put Kali. Put the password, which is the password of my Kali user. Kali123456. Okay, and here you can start get files, receive, bot, whatever. Okay, now you can see that we have captured a lot of traffic here. So if I click on the TCP, right click, follow TCP stream again. Oh, you can see that we are capturing secure data. So you can see, please specify the password, and you can see that the password is like that. Imagine that. So we are seeing the password. So of course, then, okay, now please, if you are working, if you are an engineer working with a company, organization, or whatever, and you are still using, or they are still using FTP, please, you suggest that you should replace it with something more secure, like SFTP or the SSH. Because as you can see, the password is here, and which is something very dangerous.